expert bathroom remodeling services in Sundance, Utah. EagleRidge, Utah is your trusted partner for bathroom remodeling in Sundance, Utah, 84604. With years of experience and expert craftsmanship, we ensure high-quality results and a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. Our remodeling process is smooth and hassle-free, beginning with a consultation to understand your needs, followed by a detailed design plan and precise execution. We incorporate the latest trends, including minimalistic fixtures, natural materials, and smart storage solutions, to transform your bathroom into a functional and stylish retreat. At EagleRidge, Utah, we guide you through every step of the process, providing expert recommendations and ensuring that every detail aligns with your vision. Our strong reputation in the Sundance community speaks to our dedication and professionalism. Whether you're looking for a simple upgrade or a complete transformation, we tailor our services to meet your specific needs. Modern bathroom designs focus on clean lines, neutral color palettes, and a sense of tranquility. Incorporating materials like stone and wood adds warmth and sophistication, while built-in shelves and floating vanities maximize space efficiency. Layered lighting and smart technology further enhance the ambiance, making your bathroom a true sanctuary. Our remodeling process is structured to deliver precision and excellence. It starts with an in-depth consultation to understand your preferences and requirements. The design phase follows, where we create detailed blueprints to help you visualize the final outcome. Once approved, our skilled team executes the plan with top-tier materials and meticulous craftsmanship, ensuring a flawless finish. If you're ready to transform your bathroom into a space of comfort and elegance, EagleRidge, Utah is here to help. Contact us today to schedule a consultation. Our experienced team will guide you through every step, ensuring a seamless and stress-free remodeling experience. Let us bring your vision to life with exceptional quality and expert solutions.